An tam ang renga mi sangkat zasari ai taman kalani kalsing aton pastor te zaruk sompi patum John lay member ang lay member zanga songkwa pani dia chuanin ni kwate po an kalno na zathum songa ai taman kalani chuanin ni pale me chian kalsa choi nam deu thoa chuanin kan kum hi hanelila kan kalom khop maya kum songa par ai pa chu za sumru pali ani karwa puite chu za som patum ve nya jan kum songa ai an yang chu za sombi ani sombi patum ve chu an kalani chuan tamso chu mingo an dia za somru kala midum za somtum panga ve Asian po kanum ve za patum ve kanya chuan Spanish Hispanic za ve na chuan kan ron kal na somtum ve kin BWC ve kin on za thi fa in ve kin za somtum pakhat kanya chuan kan members ang song chu noi khat sing dia sing group samriat ai pan kan ni chuan conference Thursday, Friday, Zina, Bishop Young Cho, again, Bible study. We are any Korean American Bishop Pasadena, any. So, any Korean who are retired, Dona August, Muslim who are retired, Dona. And he's saying Thursday, Zina, to soy two, pneumophobia, the Charatian, na talk, na. Asoy dikkat itu tulai caution, mainline caution home. Methodist press the body and Manilan local attendees and in Makhanin kantar romani so chalai tam taki an lautana engalge ti swanin caution tam taki ni ma ni thiu ti theina he ani na tuka atia chara thiam ni pathian na to hi kan punlo thina ni mani kan lo heran chu he khazin te sang kan thing kan indifinga pathian kan auto pro ni tia to ka chuanin atu ka chuanin trong trai na atu pui ane ya trong trai ni kan rin na atan alo ba thei lo khopa pui mo le in ha na bul essence the foundation ani trong trai na pui mo se tu ka soya chak mai chuan Tlailama Thursday Tlailama he kan bishop hian tu sei ani boy retire don ani tu August ni sang tho ten retire dona chuan ani po tu pui chu thiu ti thei na hi tong tai la an ti le ho kan ni chuan thu cha te pathum ne ya ocean tin hi tong tai na mun prayer station ni se ti le Ocean tinin di pakatal iswan nena shuai dum se boka chuan ocean tinin an omna veng zip code a school pakat ne rongbol no thek se dia school ye ni chuan a veng opmaya chuan thalai kan tiam ma se presentation an ron opmaya headline idum pa Raymond Jackson he BWC Baltimore Washington Conference Young Adult and Council Chairman and Young Society Young Comment how great is your God? Kan patian ni baru punya tu so ini. Tuanin he kan chalai ho youth ho kiani. Ani ki Conference Council on Youth Ministry members ten dia drama ten utara. Tin asira no pang te ki kung so bakat sa niya masih mission trip ako ni Zimbabwe ram Africa ram experience te felt takin tiam takin na Australia no kop may so on special guest kan ne Korea tang yan delegation under kala an metia kian ni sa ko kiam pa lo ni mizo min Korean tang in tong amaro chu la anan sa tongin erase ni ap ti la ha sa tiam ko mai ngai no min point an ko mai standing ovation ding to ning kutan me ni chuan DC mayor Muriel browser ania so enduri ani ko in to claim soya ani hian ya DC government po hian he ko shang te na tan khom hi apoi mo zia te aron soi bo ka so one enduri reference Cynthia Moore Okoi, superintendent of the Baltimore metropolitan area nia Bishop they retired dona bang Bishop third kan vai dona so ani candidate tan henu hi thantin ani candidate on tak mi thapui puyan oma an nominate from kan DS district superintendent Reverend Joseph Daniels at the Bohan nominate saying and declines there so ani henu hi tam attend so ani experience na nei pop lo an tian di pop lo kan paso me ko na vote lo in ka ama ro tu de an se ama alo in hong atinge ta hian ta tho na la in te to pani so ani ama sang tu hian vote kha hun thu chen hun di ang lu ki na ga ya amo ta nge ko pani so ani ama he kan candidate pe tu so ni ma se ka ton nge ton lo so na ki na na shia Johnny Bishop he United Methodist Bishop of Fine so Kandaya US Suma so ni Koma John Ramdaman so ni in Methodist United Methodist in Chennai US and region ama and in China can be organized or shinglai so near the son in so Pimani Northeastern jurisdiction relies on a Hinsu conference to conference of war and when in Shinglai so in US Suma in the Tunga in resolution there until I got to there can look lower Unda Hanin current report of Han sexual Zaka so if you can Tuntumpo Hello, Nubui, a lady, lesbian, and founder in United Methodist Church member, and Minnesota, T.C. Morrow, deacon from the Duveni, John deacon to Hanin, clergy board Hanin, nominate Marseille, Pastor Hote, Hanin, and vote Talawani. Hun too much and hun di an vote kawaya ama an support kawaya kasi support atin kalawa a member with so an ako yan di ko maya so ina te an niya amay ro so di katiyan mila kung himani katiya kan book of discipline yan practicing homosexuals ni te so ko san try to tan lakhalo ni mase hi ha tumdu an tama May I hello in Foundry United Methodist Church in Mola Pani in the Church and Penipo and the chair of Panda, Ocean Pania, and Poisa Pena, Philanthropia, DC, upon in there. Amaro to a Canton type, Tamawai, Patiani, the Tanpo to dictate and move in on, they don't try to do. So in a general conference, he only the Nanita made Hakani and Katakania, I mean, a book of discipline, language, homosexual day, ordained any of the two cup, Hetahani to Hani and King Tamar to Huma Dan and the Cup Telova. So I joined in a special committee and Siamani. Bishop Cohen and Siama to Hemi Tunzani and study and Anakina report and made Oregon, Hani Pakala, Mana, Pastor Resertino, Hani, conveying Washington area, so and liberal, they were young Tunzani here in India, homosexuality and support, as I'm saying, and support so it's in the so on, resolutions and in the panga chen lo the lu ta pakhat na chuan nominations committee a pastor te le lay member te tamdan thong balance zo ni se tia chuan panina chuan thukir te soiho nan small group kan nei chin circles of grace man na na thato prowa group lian zo ka soiho le sel ni se tir na chu omala ne ri lo ni ti chu na mai to ne ang in atuna chuan pastor te le ko shanta na thokte koi sapung sa IRS in tamnu tu ati lo nan dan sia na tha IRS in tamnu tu ati chuanin ko shantan ko thadon ta ni tax exempt kan ta tax kan lo ma saying with a full tier tam khatwarin kami tax exemption kha kan thengona chuan palina chuan pastor ta thome an thi in conference in koshan le chu ten ko dan policy sia ma tha an ka palina pangana chuan pastor thar anomin district superintendent in koshan ko sabin mon endik saka kumhi na na koi khatal ennon subject the subject china tha ti te ania role na hi ya anti thiam le na mi kan tam ro mi mai se rom pa ta khani ama ro chu he te issue sang sang hi mi pakhat kan ni pathum cheu kha atan tu le atan lo tu kha thu soi na mon ta mai ta kha mon thang ta khan na bishop khan so okay mai number 4 mi kha thu nge soi du wa te yan an tu soi ko kha minute thum chau an khala ni mi pakhat ni minute thum mai soi te lo nia a fel ang re ko me so financial report kan ni ko ka na kumata na a portion of budget to Baltimore Washington Conference plan in 14.2 million so bali le mai ni ve ni ta chuan 2015 khanin portion za somkwa ani de thoi an portion le hi an de ni kan pe chakho mai tia no ko mai chuan in kan bishop ki retire to don bangin aman le na keep step back ain he support in the sports center Africa University dan sakhi adwa ME an plan sonia and design ania hemi tan hianin imani na business pelowin eta hianin yes me donate so ko atia sing sang zakwa ai tam mu to ni ano ko me ya chu ani de mai ka report hai chu lam pain kan Baltimore Washington Conference ni minong pe nam so zero set